Welcome to Engineering Downloads, where simulation work gets simpler, faster, and shared. We're a marketplace for simulation engineers and researchers to share validated CAE models and practical know-how. Think of us as your partner for modeling, training, and solving complex simulations without the hassle. Browse ready-to-run models, take tutorials and courses, or request custom modeling and consulting tailored to your project. Got expertise? Upload your work and start earning. Engineer, researcher, or company, welcome. From first steps to full-scale delivery, we provide reliable models and guidance for oil and gas, structural integrity, and fitness for service. Need a second pair of eyes? Book an online consultation with our engineering team. Use what you like: Abaqus, Ansys, COMSOL, or open source. We support flexible workflows. Tell us what you need and we'll help you choose the right path and get results. Let's learn, collaborate, and save time together.